guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be sharing with you an easy recipe. It's so simple, it's perfect for children when they're a bit peckish, or even for yourself. All you need is a couple of sheets of your favorite puff pastry and your favorite cheese. Now I was in a little bit of a rush, so I decided to put my pastry in the microwave for around 10 seconds, and they were the perfect temperature to actually fold and make your pastry with. So next time you forget to take out your pastry, you can just use this little tip and you can go ahead and make your pastry. So over here I'm just putting a little bit of milk on the sides first, so it's easy to seal, and then just getting my pieces of cheese and putting them inside. So to seal the pastry, just go ahead and press in your fork on the sides, and that way the pastry will seal itself, and just brush it with a little bit of milk or egg whites. Put it in the oven for around 15-20 minutes on gas mark 5. If you make this pastry and you do something different, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share with your friends and family. And see you next time.